what I want to do, I want to hop back in. It's been decomposing for a fair amount of time and I want to show you guys what it looks like. Welcome back to another episode. It's New Year's Day, the 1st of the 1st, and me and the crew, we're out here. The shops are all shut. We got no food, so we got to go shoot something. Oh, that's good. It's a good start. Let's get out there and see what we can get. The crew have got a fish, I'm pretty sure. I'm just heading over there to see what they got now. Oh, very nice.
Sam spotted him deep in under that bommy. Could only just see the front half of his head sticking out. That's where the shot went in, and
Good shot.
it was a bit of a tight squeeze to get him out.
Well done.
Nice little feed. Just see his head. I think I stoned him. It's going to be tricky to get it out. It looks solid. This is a recovery mission now. Tight.
Oh yeah. How's that for a shade? When you're hunting trout in shallow water, they're most likely along a bommy or a ledge or close to home, and they're very, very territorial, especially the bigger ones. So most likely they will never actually disappear and swim off, but they will play cat and mouse with you. And what I mean by that is that they'll poke their head out, look at you, go back in and hide, come back out. Keep your distance, take your time, and put yourself on the bottom, and most of the time curiosity will kill them. They'll come out and they'll check you out. If not, they'll be threatened by you and they'll show themselves side on or straight up, and you can normally get a pretty good shot. So we're going to punch south and see if we can find some blue bone ground and hopefully get a blue bone or something else just so it can feed us all tonight, and we'll go from there. Chuck her in the esky, straight on ice. Look at that. Very nice. Go get him, Jackie. Get him. I think Jackie Brown's onto a fish here. Red little pea shooter. There you go. Oh, good little Jackie trout. It's perfect size. Perfect Jackie size. Well done.
Thank you.
Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, she's saying no. Jody!
You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, you're delusional. In an ocean now, for this emotion now. Best be sure, I'll be there when you're looking for something
Just on our way back home from the beach, and I got an email, and I've come around to see the crew here. It's Troy's birthday on Saturday, and I've convinced him to do a beer out of that big old crayfish head there for his birthday. So you don't want to waste any of that good gooey stuff in there. Get into it. That's juicy. Oh, happy birthday, mate.
And I'll just come up behind. Alex is sort of here. I'll just come up behind and fucking pull onto the field.
Put up much of a fire? Take it back.
Actually,
had to keep moving, guys.
Yeah, no
yeah. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks,
appreciate
that.
that,
Thank you so much.
Sweet.
Thanks, Emily. We know you.
Back at the house, and Jared is playing.
We're back at the house. Jared's filleting the fish. We're back at my place. Jared's filleting the fish. Gonna get these on the grill soon because I'm starving. I can't even string a sentence together. Look at those angles. Ryder's waiting down there for some morsels. Oh.
Right in there.
Yes, was that good, Strutter? Been a pretty good first day of 2019. It's a public holiday. All the shops here are shut, so it's fresh fish for us tonight. We're gonna judge Jared's skinning skills. Oh, jeez.
Oh!
Oh!
Georgie!
Jared, you're sacked. You're off the team.
Do you know, oh my god, I had the...
You're gonna be on, you're telling everyone this, by the way.
After
Make sure
being-
it's squeaky clean. Kids are watching.
It has to be to the face.
Alright.
That was a good dodge.
What's all happening in here? I'm just editing the episode right now that you're probably going to watch. And Jared and Jackie over there getting that footage, cooking up that feed. Just a standard night in the Youngblood's house. What do you got going on here, Jared?
Very basic. Flour, salt, pepper, with a shallow frying butter.
Very nice. What you got going on there, Jackie?
But it's vegan butter and potato and garlic and onion. So you get a bowl.
That's a good start. Put the rice in it. Ooh, sprout me. Bit of green shit. Some more green shit. Bit of red shit. Then the fresh trout that Jared shot today. New beauty. A fish bowl. A couple of fresh potatoes. Look at that. There's the trout from today. Right there. Bit of secret sauce. This is really good. Man. Alright, that's it for another episode. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe. Get your merch, youngbloods.co, or the link's in the description. I'm not even wearing any. I'll be right back. Happy New Year, everyone. Thanks for all your support last year. This year's going to be bigger and better. We're going to tuck into this, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Tricked ya. We're just back at mine, and Jared's tucking into